Hi, I'm John Dapolito, and welcome to Script Secrets of the A-List Actor. I want you to think about sheet music, okay? I have this conveniently sitting right here for you. Sheet music. If you don't understand sheet music, there's nothing you can do with it, right? You just look at it and say, I don't know what this means, and you throw it away. The same thing to do with blueprints. Do I know what to do with any of this? No, I don't. So what is Script Secrets of the A-List Actor? It's you understanding the sheet music, the song that must be sung inside of a script. So when you take a script, any script, all of these scripts that I've been through, hundreds of them, and you go deep diving into this work, you're going to find these tips, these insights, and the structure of how to approach the work in a very dynamic way. I'm talking things beyond instinct, beyond intuition, beyond talent. Yes, use that. Of course you use that. But when you use that with actual tools and structure, and you know with absolute certainty, I have chosen the right path for this character, for this play, for this universe that I've entered, and I'm able to resurrect this building and sing this song, that's what you're really after. So in this class, I want to bring you to something really important. We approach every single script as if it's a masterpiece. Now, this is a very important thing, because when you're approaching a script, if you approach it as if it is a masterpiece, you will notice all of its beautiful structure and everything that it's offering you. I mean the bones of what's really going on here and how to get to it. And here's a bonus. Inside this class, I've offered people the actable phrase technique. So what is that? That's a technique that I personally developed specifically for actors so that they understand who their character is, what the character actually is. And the actable phrase is a way to understand it, which is extracted from the scripts you have. Because we know when we get on set, we get thrown things, new pages, new ideas, so on and so forth. It can be a little bit nerve-wracking. The actable phrase technique is a beautiful way to understand your character, who you are, to root in, so that you can be a tree that bends in the wind out there when you're working, but not a tree that snaps in the wind. I've been teaching this class for 20 years. I've been through hundreds of scripts. If you've run into anyone who knows me, they say, oh my God, Script Secrets of the A-List Actor, oh my God. Because it's a class that gives you tools to apply on the job that work in real time and save you out there. And so this class is really born out of my masterclass for the working actor and the necessity that these actors want to say, hey, how do you know that? How do you know the character does this? How do you know it's that style? How do you know this is what that play is? Well, because there's a formula. And if someone teaches you that formula, you can run the gamut inside this industry. That I guarantee you. When you understand scripts, and when you take a class like Script Secrets, what you're doing is you're keeping a roof over your head and food in your mouth. Meaning, any position inside this business, whether it's a producer, director, writer, dramaturg, casting director, or you're developing a project, you will always be able to feed yourself, house yourself, and you can be the architect not only of your own life and your own dreams, but of that particular production. I'll see you soon.